Hey everyone, in this quick video we will divide 3701 by 16 step by step up to 4 decimal places. We won't leave any reminders, instead we will break it down into a clean decimal answer. So here dividend is 3701, divisor is 16 and we need to find the quotient. At first we will set up the division. So 16 does not go into 3, so we will take the next digit to make it 37. 16 goes into 37 2 times as 16 times 2 is 32. Write 2 in the quotient and we perform the subtraction of 32 from 37, which will give us 5. Now bring down the next digit 0 to make it 50. So 16 goes into 50 3 times as 16 times 3 is 48. Write 3 in the quotient and subtract 48 from 50, which will give us 2, and we will bring down the next digit 1 to make it 21. 16 goes into 21 1 times as 16 times 1 is 16 and 16 times 2 is 32. Write 1 in the quotient and next perform the subtraction of 16 from 21, which will give us 5. At this point we have used all the digits from 3701, but we still have a remainder of 5. Now we will place a decimal point in the quotient. As a result of this, we will add a 0 to the remainder, making it 50. This is allowed because adding zeros after the decimal point does not change the value. It's like writing 5 as 5.0, which helps us divide further. Now 16 go into the 50 3 times as 16 times 3 is 48. So we will write 3 in the after the decimal point and subtract 48 from 50, which will give us 2. Now bring down the next 0 to make it 20. 16 goes into 20 1 time as 16 times 1 is 16, and we'll place this one after the 3 in the quotient and we'll subtract 16 from 20, which will give us 4. We'll again add another 0 to make it 40. Now 16 goes into 40 2 times as 16 times 2 is 32. We'll write 2 in the quotient and subtract 32 from 40, which will give us 8. Now we will again add a 0 to make it 80. Now 16 goes 5 times into 80 as 16 times 5 is 80. Finally we'll write the 5 in the quotient and subtract 80 from 80, which will give us 0. Now the remainder is 0 and the division ends here. So the final answer when we divide 3701 by 16 will be 231.3125. This is up to 4 decimal point.